Here's how to hide apps on your iPhone. It's super easy to do, but you do need to update your phone first. So tap on the Settings app of your iPhone, and then tap on General and Software Update. This is a fairly new feature, so just update your phone to be able to hide apps. Now you can natively hide them on your phone by pressing and holding on the app. Scrolling down and tapping on Require Face ID. If you don't see that, it's because some apps you cannot hide, which are built-in default apps. So just hit Require Face ID and then tap Hide and Require Face ID. Now you'll either use your Face ID or you'll use your passcode, and just like that, it's hidden. To find it, swipe over to the app library and just tap on Hidden, and again use your Face ID, and there is the hidden app. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that too, and thanks for watching.